Project. The name of project is ultrasonic distance measurement system. So here we are using one ultrasonic sensor. The property of ultrasonic sensor is it will transmit the waves, that is ultrasonic waves. So this will transmit the waves and this is the receiver which will receive the same. So the reception of sound waves depends on the obstacle. If obstacle comes in sound waves, then it will reflect. So that reflection will be sensed by this one, and this is what is called as echo. So here there are four signals present. So one is VCC, another is trig, third one is echo, and fourth one is ground. So trig means we are sending data. So data is nothing but one pulse, one short pulse. The pulse duration is 10 microseconds. So 10 microsecond pulse we are sending through this transmitter, and we are waiting for reply of that particular pulse. So reply will be there if and only if the obstacle is present. So for example, if I am sending the data through this, and after some time it will receive at this end, so it will travel 2 times distance. So the total distance will be time upon speed, and we know the speed of sound waves. The speed of sound waves in air is 340 meter per second. So depends on time and the distance. We depends upon time and the speed of the sound wave, we can calculate the distance. So the thumb rule is distance equals to speed upon time. So we have time, we have speed, so we can directly calculate the distance. So let's go through the control circuitry. So here red and yellow color wires are present, through which we can give AC power supply through transformer or directly DC power supply through adapter. So here in this video we are just using one adapter, so having a voltage capacity of 12 volt and 1 ampere. So that directly given to this circuitry. Here 4 diodes are present, that's nothing but the bridge rectifier. So to convert the incoming AC signal into the DC format. After that there are one switch. The switch is just for used for on and off purpose. Okay, and beside there is one LED present and one resistor. So LED is used to indicate that whether the power is okay or not. If power is not okay, so it will not on. If power is okay, it means the LED will be in on condition. Okay, so one extra diode is present. The use of diode is reverse current protection. So there might be chance that some short circuit will happen in the circuit, and due to that the whole power supply circuitry will be burn out. So to avoid that, we just used one diode, so which will protect the reverse current. Here one capacitor is present. So capacitor used as a filter, and 17805 is present to get a fixed regulated 5 volt supply. Besides the capacitor, one resistor, this capacitor and switch is present. This resistor, this capacitor and switch forms a reset circuit. So if I press the button, then controller will be reset like a phone. If there might be chance in phone will hang, so we press reset button. In the same way, if the controller malfunctions or it will not show exact output, then we have to reset the controller. So for resetting purpose, here is the switch, so we can press that switch and reset the controller, and program will begin from the start. And here is the LCD connected, and one port is there to adjust the contrast of the LCD. So if you need a high contrast, then we have to change the value. So changing value of resistance continuously is not possible for us. So instead of changing value, we are just using one port. So according to our requirement or interest, we can increase or decrease the contrast of the LCD. So first we turn on the supply. So ultrasonic distance measurement system. So this is the 5 centimeter, this is the 6 centimeter, this is the 7 centimeter. What happen is that this transmitter will be transmitting the data, and simultaneously my hand act as obstacle. So this receiver will receive the same within a particular time, and that time will be calculated internally by using PIC 18F PIC 18F timer, which is present inbuilt in the IC. So in this way it will show distance up to 30 centimeter. So I use this in interrupt mode, so suddenly even if I change in few microseconds, that value will be displayed on the LCD directly. So in this way the project works. Thank you and thanks for watching.